Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to make this animation, exactly the same one, using our assets, using our components that are already inside our edit software, right? So they let's get to it. You can do this in probably 2-3 minutes, depending, depends what you want to do, but in this particular one I think this one will take only 2 minutes or so. So I'm going to do new project. I'm going to go to animations and templates, and I'm going to go to other and backgrounds. So you can choose any background that you really want. I'm going to use the same one as I showed you. So I'm going to import that. So this is our background animation, right? So now what you're using our images so from the library, right? So I'm going to go to frames, and of course you can use any other frame that you like. I use on this one particular this. So I'm going to load, so just click on it and it will go right into your workspace. So I'm going to position it right here, so it's in the middle. That's your layers, of course. So you see your layers and which one is on top and which one is on the bottom. So this one is on top of the video, right? Anything that will be more layers will be on top of the layers that were previously added, right? So now I'm going to upload my own photo. So the photo that your client actually gave you. So I'm going to click on it and bring it into my workspace, right? I'm going to resize it, and as you see, the photo is on top of the frame, which means this one is on top of the frame. So we need to bring this backward, and is a second now, right? So now we have the video, the photo is on top of the video, and the frame is on top of the photo. So we're going to add now we're going to add circles, 3 circles, right? Well, you can only, you don't need to add all 3. Once you resize something, right? And you want this to be the same size, all you do is you duplicate this, place it here, duplicate that, and place it in here, right? We're going to space that out, this one in the middle, and those ones like that. I'm going to add text now. So one photo, you can make text color darker however you want, right? Any other color. You are the boss of what colors you need to use. You can also use this as reference to bring a color that you want from something else, right? So if I want this dark, I get that, right? So that's one photo. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Place that here, and you duplicate this. Now we're gonna put that 2 photos, and we're going to duplicate this, and we're going to put 3 photos, right? Now I'm going to make another text. So select an experience. I'm going to make this font and I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to wipe this as a text animation, right? And I'm going to put a little bit wider color. Now I'm going to add another text. I'm going to fade this. I'm going to use this as white text, and I'm going to use something as Wedding Wise as a font for wedding. Julia and Brian's wedding, right? I'm going to make this a 50 font, or maybe even bigger. Put that in the middle. So I'm gonna make actually this one a little bit smaller. Right there. Right there. This one 55. Nice and big, visible. Okay, so we have this, but nothing really is moving, right? So we're going to go to. Actually, we're going to click on the circle. I'm going to fade in. Next circle, fade in, and next the third circle, fade in, right? This one I'm going to put wipe. You can leave it the way it is. You will just pop in however you like. And we're going to go to timeline. So now you have all your layers in here. So I want the first circle to come in here, second one right there, third one right there, and then one photo, two photos, three photos, and we're gonna put this one like that. So this one's gonna come first, then this one. Okay, and I'm gonna click done, and I can review. So there it is. I'm going to actually fade this in. Maybe it will look a little bit better. I'm going to get a little bit more delay here for that. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty much I made the same as the other one. Three photos. Oh, the three photos are here. There. So now it's gonna be okay. So it took a few minutes, but you don't need professional programs to use that you don't even know. You don't need to learn anything. This is as simple as it gets. You can create animations right on our software just by bringing things in here. So you can of course always upload your own things, right? If you have your own frames or something that you can find in our library, right? So let's say frames, right? And you have something different that you want to use, or your client gave you something specific to use, you can use it. You can just simply upload and bring it into your animation, right? That's it. I'm always here to help. If you need anything, any questions, please let me know.